Today in this session, I will be discussing about the theory of natural selection, which was proposed by Charles Darwin in his famous work on the origin of a species by means of natural selection. In 1859, राइट। तो हम लोग चार्ल्स डार्विन की थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन को पढ़ेंगे और फॉर द बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस थ्योरी we will try to understand about its background. Means say we try to understand about how did Darwin come up with the theory of natural selection, right? तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हम लोग डिस्कस जो करेंगे, ये डार्विन ने इस थ्योरी का किस तरह से प्रतिपादन किया, किस तरह से उन्होंने प्रपोज किया, किस तरह से उनके दिमाग में ये आइडिया डेवलप किया. Then I will discuss about observation and deduction of Darwin, right? डार्विन ने इस थ्योरी के प्रतिपादन में 3 महत्वपूर्ण ऑब्जर्वेशन और 2 डिडक्शन किया है, उसको समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. और देन वी अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट मेन postulates of Darwin, and then I will discuss about limitations of the theory of natural selection, and then I will also discuss about its relevance, how Darwin theory of natural selection is relevant for understanding of organic evolution. So these are the important aspects related to theory of natural selection. So first, सबसे पहले हम लोग इस थ्योरी के बैकग्राउंड को समझने का प्रयास करें. कि हाउ डिड डार्विन कम अप विद द थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. तो बैकग्राउंड को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले वी विल स्टडी अबाउट चार्ल्स डार्विन background, and here for that we can understand about educational background of Charles Darwin. So simply he was the student of medicine and theology, right? But second important thing is that Darwin had interested to study of nature since childhood. So his dream was a study of nature. That was very important because Darwin wanted to study nature, and because that was the dream of Darwin. So Darwin got opportunity. He got opportunity to a study of nature when he was selected as a member of HMS Beagle was in 1831, and that day HMS Beagle was that day concerned with the study of nature around वर्ल्ड, राइट। यानी HMS बेगल बॉयज के माध्यम से कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में जब डार्विन पढ़ रहे थे, ही वाज एट द एज ऑफ 22, he got an important opportunity to participate in an important expedition which focused to study about nature around world through HMS Beagle. And because Darwin was an important member of that expedition, so he got chance to fulfill their dream, because his dream was a study of nature, right? So Darwin became the member of HMS Beagle Boys, and he went to Galapagos Island, where did he did investigation of nature from 1831 to 1836, right? So that was the turning point in the life of Charles Darwin. ये चार्ल्स डार्विन के लाइफ में एक टर्निंग पॉइंट है, बिकॉज हियर डार्विन स्टडीड about diversity and variation in nature. So that was the turning point in the life of Charles Darwin. And Charles Darwin documented various types of specimen and materials from Galapagos Island, and he came to his home at 1836, right? यानी डार्विन जो है 1836 में अपने घर पहुंचते हैं इंग्लैंड, राइट? बट देन ही डिड extensive study about various discipline, as well as he did a study about their documents, their specimen, their materials, their remains, which he collected from Galapagos Island. So after that, from 1836 to 1856, he did extensive study to various discipline, right? And therefore Darwin had studied about geology, paleontology, taxonomy, systematics, and demography, right? And basically, he was influenced by the work of James Hutton and Charles Lyell. They were great geologists in this time. He also studied about the work of George Cuvier, who did a study on fossils for the understanding of evolution and extinction also. He also studied about the work of Carl Linnaeus for the understanding of systematics and taxonomy, but he was mostly influenced by the work of demographer Thomas Malthus, right? He was basically political economist, right? And he wrote an important book on demography, that is an essay on the principle of population in 1798, and he gave idea about growth, population growth, development, and variation also. So, on the basis of a study of these important disciplines, Darwin came to the theory of natural selection, right? Hence, theory of natural selection was the product of Darwin's personal observation on nature, and also that was based on the study of various disciplines which Darwin did very extensive study from 1836 to 1856. And after that, Darwin started writing his famous book on the origin of species by means of natural selection. लेकिन इसी बीच क्या हुआ कि अल्फ्रेड रसेल वलास ने डार्विन को एक बुक का स्पेसिमेन भेजा, राइट? और अल्फ्रेड रसेल वलास ने अमेजोन में अपना एक्सटेंसिव फील्डवर्क किया था, और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ही आल्सो प्रपोज द थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. देयर थ्योरी वाज सिमिलर टू चार्ल्स डार्विन, लेकिन डार्विन की बुक पहले आ जाती है, एंड देयरफॉर वी नो दैट चार्ल्स डार्विन proposed the theory of natural selection, and that is the basic idea behind how did Darwin come up with the theory of natural selection, right?